natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 100 chart. We are in negative MACD territory. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD. We did see it diverge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in negative MACD territory. We're resting right along the 100 moving average, this orange line, at a price of $4.75. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $14.89. My sell target is at $17.30, and my stop loss is at $14.39. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $18.57, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $15.46, and my stop loss is at $19.98. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 31% chance to climb between 0 to 11%. To the downside, it has a 46% chance to fall between 0 to negative 11%, and a 15% chance to fall between negative 11 to negative 22%, and 8% chance to fall between negative 22 to negative 34%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.